Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another fun and exciting video. This was a requested tutorial by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested some dip powder nails using full cover nail tips. I love dip powder. I don't know if a lot of people on this channel do, but dip powder is definitely one of my all-time favorite methods of nails just because it's simple, easy, and you can literally do it at the comfort of your home. So here I already prepped my nails off camera and I did apply my full cover nail tips. I will have everything linked down below along with on the screen if you guys are interested in purchasing it for yourselves. So right here, after I was done prepping my nails off camera, I am just going in with a buffer to remove all the shine from the surface of the nail. Then I will get to shaping and filing and right into this tutorial. And by the way guys, thank you so much for allowing me to reach 600 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I am so happy and so grateful, and I love you guys so much. Thank you once again for all the love and support. It means the absolute world to me. So after I was done removing the shine, now I am just grabbing a nail file and I am just shaping it to my liking along with filing the nails. And by the way guys, don't forget to always buff after each process just to remove excess dust. You don't want it to get in the way of your materials. So yeah, here I am just filing and shaping, and then we will get into the dip powder process. So today I'll be using the Leafoo by Model 1 dip powder, and this is a beautiful shimmery glittery purple dip powder along with the 2-in-1 base and activator by Leafoo by Model 1. And then here on the next step, I am just mixing the dip powder, making sure it is all even, and then I will begin the process. And remember to also have a duster in hand. So here I'm going to begin by applying the base 3/4 of the way on the nail, a little bit more than halfway through the nail, and then I will dip my nail in at a 45-degree angle. I will repeat this process for all the nails and do a total of 2 rounds of dip powder. Remember to dust off the nails after each round. This is a very important step. The reason why I love this 2-in-1 base and top is simply because the consistency is pretty thick. Therefore, the way it builds the nail, it just builds it so flawlessly. And this also works so beautifully with baking soda as well. So now I'm going to apply the activator after I am done building the nails to my liking, and then I will go in with filing. And by the way, I do apply about 2 coats of the activator on each nail. So now I'm going to get straight into filing, and it is achievable with a nail file if you don't want to use an e-file. I am using a 150 240 nail file, so here I'm just shaping it to my liking and just, you know, overall shaping and filing. So yeah, here I'm just doing that. And by the way, guys, thank you so much once again for all the love and support. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. And by the way, like I always mention, it does mean the world to me, the engagement and just all the love that I receive down below or on my social media platforms. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm just so grateful for it. It really just motivates me to continue to post on this channel and just help whoever I can, or if there's a great alternative or whatever the case may be. It just really means a lot to me, especially when people tell me that I'm an inspiration to them or that I inspire them. Like, that really makes my day, because, you know, I just love being able to help people in any way that I can. So yeah, it really means the world to me. Thank you once again for all the love. As you guys may know by now, my favorite shape is the coffin shape. So if you guys want to create or achieve a beautiful coffin shape, remember to file down both sides of the nails straight down and also at a 45-degree angle. And this all comes with practice. I still have to perfect my shape, but yeah, it's just something that comes along with the nail journey. So now that I am done shaping and filing, I will go in with some activator for the very last time, just to ensure that the nails are hard and secure, and then I will go in and apply some top coat. And for the top coat, I am just simply using the Leafu by Model 1's 2 and 1 base and top, which is what I've been using throughout the whole video. It's just such a convenience, and it's really great. I will have it linked down below and on the screen if you guys want to purchase it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you once again for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.